A very good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn advanced features of Excel. In Excel we have something very important which plays a very good role in learning Excel, and that is the topic charts. As you can see on the screen, there are different variety of charts and we have something to learn today as well. How can we represent the data in different ways? Let's learn through charts. What chart is? A chart is the graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display the data in the form of pictures, that is pictorial form. It helps us to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. Means when we have large quantities, huge amount of data, so it can be presented in the form of charts, and it is easy for us to draw comparisons and to see the growth and relationship among the values and definitely the trends in the data, and this provide accurate analysis of information. So with the help of chart we are able to present the data pictorially in a beautiful manner. So let's continue about the components of chart. So what are the components? Component means how exactly when the chart is made, and we have different things here as you can see in the diagram. What is chart title, y-axis, x-axis and all these things. So let's understand them one by one. Chart area, what it is? It is something that includes all the area and objects in the chart. Whatever we are able to see, that all comes in the chart area. This all, right? Category axis. Category axis also called as x-axis. This is the area where these bars are standing. This is x-axis. Value axis. Value axis or y-axis is the same thing, or we can say vertical axis also. These are the vertical axis. Let's continue. Next we have data series. Data series, these are basically the bars and slices or elements that show the data values, right? Here we specify the different values for data series. If there are multiple data series, each have a different color, right? And together all these colors we call them data series, and particularly what is allocated to them, that is called legend. We will read about legend in next slide also. Category name means what name we give to the x-axis title, that is called category name, or y-axis title as well. Next is plot area. Plot area is the actual area where the chart is put up. You can see plot area is indicated this way. In the next slide we have legend. Legend, it depicts the colors, patterns or symbols. Like here in this figure we can see green color is given to series 1 and blue is given to series 2. Chart title, it comes at the top of the chart. Like in this example we have taken stationery store. And then grid lines. Grid lines are the horizontal or vertical lines behind the chart, just behind the chart, and they extend across the plot area of the chart. And what it helps, it makes it easier to read and understand the values. Means we can easily judge how and where these values are actually allocated. Fine. So this is about the components of chart. Now the same thing we are going to understand in Excel for better understanding. So here you can see the table. We have name and the marks. Some students' name have been given with their percentage of marks, and here we have the chart. This is students activity performance. You can see chart title is being shown here. Then this one is axis title vertical, and this one is axis title for horizontal, right? This one horizontal axis title. This is our data table. This is series plus legend entry, and these are grid lines, horizontal and vertical both, right? We put these grid lines for better understanding of the values, how they are put up. So we have seen about legend, we have seen about title. Now this is the area which is called as chart area, where all the things are contained, right? And this area where these bars are there, this is actually the plot area. Plot area is the area where the chart is plotted. So chart area is something in which we include each and every object, that is whole, it is chart area, and where actually the chart is plotted, that is called plot area. So plot area, chart area, legend and data series, and this is chart title. These are axis title for vertical as well as horizontal. This is data table, and these are data labels which are given at the top of every individual bar. So that's all about the basic understanding of chart, what it is and what are the different components. Thank you so much.